Hi, I'm Emily from El Asador and I'm with Marilyn from Kitchen Warehouse, and today we're going to make some churros. So I've got 2 cups of plain flour and I put a pinch of salt in here, and I'm going to put this into the KitchenAid. And we've got 2 cups of water that we've boiled with 25 grams of butter. So I'll put this in here as well. In fact, I might just turn it on first. Pour it in. Hot water with 25 grams of butter. Just let that mix for a while. So have you made churros before?
I've not made churros before. I'm going to get a lot of points if I can learn how to do this.
Yeah.
The grandkids love them.
Yeah. The churros are really great because you can make the dough beforehand. You can even pipe them, and then just cook them once people arrive, so you're still serving them hot. And the preparation times, it's quite short. They're pretty easy to make.
And the kids would like making them as well, I guess, helping.
Definitely, they
on
can
their
help.
age. Yeah.
Yep.
Can you freeze them?
You can.
Yeah.
Yep. So you could freeze the dough in a ball, or you can pipe them and freeze them. You can even cook them, freeze them, and then reheat them. So I think that's good to go. Just turn this off. Put some flour on the surface. We're just going to give it a bit more of a kneading so we get all the air out. Okay, so we've just put the dough back into the piping bag, and we're just going to make some churros. So let's see how we go. You can put the dough in the fridge for a little while, but it will make it harder to pipe. So these ones have run through quite easily, which is good. The reason you do want to put it in the fridge is if you want to keep their shape. But we find that it's fine at home. Churros don't need to be perfect. That's the beauty of them.
Oh, you can give me a go?
Do you want to have a go?
Sure. Let's have a go. Push that down so it's not falling out. Now.
Mum.
Oh, that's great. A little bit of air there, but that's okay. That pipes really well.
And again, they don't need to be perfect. That's the beauty of churros.
Okay. One more for luck.
Yep.
There we go.
Right.
Shall we try cooking those and see if the kids enjoy them? And the adults maybe?
Right, so let's put these.
And the consistency was very good, particularly if you want your kids to help you. It was quite easy to pipe,
Yes.
even with the small nozzles.
We're just going to put these into our deep fryer. Fry them until they're golden brown. Let those fry. So we're using sunflower oil today. It's a nice clean oil. And we do use sunflower oil in our deep fryers at our restaurant as well. So we've been frying these for about 5 to 10 minutes, but really it depends on how golden brown you want them. If you want them nice and crunchy. And we're going to start rolling these through the sugar. So this is a sugar and cinnamon mix. Roll them through and plate them straight up. Like I say, they don't need to be perfect because they're meant to have a bit of a rustic look. You looking forward to trying them?
I'm looking forward to it. I'm sure the kids are.
And we're serving them with some Dulce de Leche caramel sauce. So,
And you also do your chocolate as well with them?
We do in our restaurant. You can have them either filled with Dulce de Leche or some chocolate sauce. Dulce de Leche is a popular sauce throughout South America. It has different names in each country. So I know the Colombians call it arequipe, but my husband, we always call it dulce de leche.
And in English? Caramel sauce.
Caramel sauce.
Sort of.
Sort of, yeah. There we go.
Oh, they look beautiful. Hey kids, you going to come and try some of our churros?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Come on. Yeah.
Well, hot. Be careful.
And hot. They're hot. Hot. Keep your feet up. You're really getting chocolate. You put in chocolate. This in chocolate.
Yeah, that's in the caramel, the Dulce de Leche. You'll dip it in. Dip it in right to the bottom. Are they good? I think they must be good. There's no one talking.